last video, we have seen that how we can actually do CloudWatch in theory, and now we will do the hands-on part on that. So first, we'll just come into settings, and from settings, you do Model Invocation Logging. So here we can select the logging destinations that where we want to store the logs. We'll specify a name. So I have already did this, so I'm just redoing that. And here you can choose a role, and we have deleted that, so we will just manually do. But yes, so if we would save this setting, it would give us an error that we need the validation log. So we would just come here and we do CloudWatch, and we just come here, and we would manually see how to create a log, a log group. So we'll just come in log groups, and we will just create a log group. So I would just give it the same name that I have given here, and this is the name that we have given, and we can do retention, that how much time we want it to expire, and we just say never expire, standard log class. This is optional, and would create already, and here we would choose a role. This doesn't exist, so we would just refresh this page and we'd wait for a while. We'll just redo one more time. Already, so here we can see that our log is already set. So we just also test this, that are the logs saved or not. So we will just select one model, let's say G1 Express or G1 Lite, and we just hit on apply, and we just write a prompt, hey, uh, how is the weather in Eastern Europe? Okay, so this should create a log and a log file. Okay, so let's say Switzerland, and so for our logs. Okay. Okay, so yes, we have give less tokens, but here we can see that this is the answer. This is being generated, and we'll just check our see on this one, and here you can see in log streams. We can see that what was done, and yes, so here you can see that all the logs are stored here, no older movements. Alright, so we will just see this, and here we can see that all the logs are stored. So this is the text and all the details of the logs that we have seen. So hey, how is the weather in Eastern Europe? So maximum tokens for 2048, temperature is 0.9. That temperature is not what we asked for, but this is the response generated. This is input tokens, output tokens, and total tokens, and there is latency in milliseconds. And yes, so this is everything about CloudWatch integration and how we can integrate the cloud in how we can integrate the logs, and we can see that in logs here we also have all the metrics that we can see, the invocation latency, and everything that we need. So yes, thank you very much for watching this video, Make sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you very much.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.